Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Today I'm going to be testing a new product from Maybelline, so I'll check in with you guys at the end of the day and we'll give you guys the final verdict on the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. Okay, so I usually start with mascara at the bottom. I haven't opened this yet. This is how the wand looks. It says it's washable. Lashes go so full, soft, and fluffy. Our most buildable volume mascara with an addictive experience. A creamy whipped formula infused with coconut extract, and a fluffy brush glides through lashes for non-stop buildability. It kind of smells like, a little bit like coconut or something like that. It does have like a slight coconut smell. It's not overbearing. It's just when you really smell it, it smells like it. It doesn't linger like afterwards. It's just really different. I'm trying to see if I can build it up and see at which point it starts to get clumpy. This kind of reminds me of the Superhero mascara, just the consistency of it and the way that it applies, the way that it makes everything look more voluminous. I'm going to go in and brush it with a spoolie. This is what I do to take out clumps at the ends. Just roll it backwards from the back. So there's no flaking. Whatever you see was from me touching my skin with the brush. I think it looks really good. It's very lightweight. You can't tell that it's on your eyes really. What do you guys think of the result? I actually really like this mascara. I'm going to wear it today and I'm going to let you guys know if it flaked on me, how long it lasted. So I'll check in with you guys at the end of the day. Hey guys, so it's the end of the night and I've had the mascara on all day for about 11 hours. This is how my lashes are looking. It's been a long day. But it didn't transfer onto my lids. It didn't flake on me. And when I touch it, it's very soft, so it doesn't harden. I mean, it's not very soft, but it's not stiff, if that makes sense. My dogs are having fun because I just got home. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wear it for a little bit more and see, how I like it. And I think it did really well. It doesn't get like super clumpy. So I think that's a huge plus as well. It does layer pretty well on itself. So I really do like this mascara. And thank you guys so much for watching my review. And we'll see you in the next video.